Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought it was recording and it wasn't, so I apologize for that. But so I went first turn, double allure, tenacity, jeez, reveal this, search this, summon this, tribute summon vanities, activate March, activate return, tribute vanities fiend, search for dark arm. Okay. Okay. Best color. All I need is one more dark in my grave. I lost because he opened with the Storm Force. I don't know why you did that. That was actually game. That's still game. That's such fucking bullshit. That's bullshittery right there. That's what that is, bro. Of course he has Storm Force because my luck. I don't know why he does that. So weird. The dark code Discord to put me on invisible. I guess invisible they can still show messages. Let me fix that real quick. I can do it without having to stop my video, luckily. So I'm on Do Not Disturb. I kind of bricked. Oh no, that's 2 dogs in my grave. I'm assuming this gets destroyed. Searching for double blue eyes? Okay. This actually made Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon a lot easier to actually summon. Because you can just search your deck for 2 Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragons. Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon still is a horrible, horrible card and I would not advise playing it. But I'm just saying that it is better now. Because of that card. And because of stuff like King of the Swamp can be substituted for one of them. Or after all, it's not hard to get 3 blue eyes on field and or hand. Man, that was it. That was a pretty bad turn, too. This deck has so many bricks in it. I don't know why, but so much more than normal Monarchs do. If I could draw like a Vanity Stain right now, that would be so helpful, man. So unfortunately should be this. Bada bang, bada boom. I win the game. Fun fact, this could make the August rank 8 monster, which is pretty good against everything except for Monarchs. Come on. Not quite what I wanted, but it'll work. In a pinch. Okay, so we fail. He's level 6. Stormforth. Tribute 1 off. I don't take Clara, that could have got me at the Darkened Grave for this. We go Tenacity, Tenacity, and Tenacity? I wonder which one he's gonna pick. I want to get Doggone Dragon out just once, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Good news is this deck doesn't have an extra north side, so if I wanted to do a deck profile real quick, I can do so quickly. There's only the 40 card main deck, and it's a lot of multiples of shit. Okay. Stuff like Stormforth and which is the reason Chaos Max is terrible too. It loses the non-targeting removal. Wait, did he just switch 1 card? Does he not play Third Dragon? What does he do to play 3 blue eyes and 3 alternatives? Yes, so he would have to target this. I apologize for that. My cat wanted in. We'll see that for later. Actually, I could. Woohoo! I won! Yeah, boy! So I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe. Actually, let me show you all my deck list real quick. deck. I've seen that deck like a trillion times now. So, 1 Dark Arm Dragon, 3 Herbless, 3 Kaius the Mega Monarch, 2 Kaius the Shadow Monarch, 3 Brandy's Fiend, 3 Lugris the Shadow Vessel, 3 Dios, the Underworld Squire, 1 Monk Sweep 1, 1 for 1, 1 Foolish Burial, 2 Domain, 1 Terraforming, so basically 3 Domain, which is why I saw it so much. 2 Stormforth, I wanted to play 3, there's no room for it. I didn't want to play a 41 card deck, so 3 Return. This card is absolutely important and I had to play it as a 3 of, because getting it out to double out to Dark Arm Dragon, this is way too good. I needed it to get Dark Arm as quick as possible, so 3 Return, 1 March, 3 Tenacity, 1 Parasitism, 3 Trading, 3 Allure, because it's drawing. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, know what you think in the comments below. I'll catch you guys later. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there watching this. Sorry for anybody who lost their father. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys later. This is TheJinzo, right now.